Something wild is happening in software development right now. It's called vibe coding, and it's flipping the script on how we build apps and games. Instead of writing lines of code manually, you describe what you want in plain English, and an AI model like ChatGPT, Claude, or Grok writes the code for you. This isn't theoretical. People are building full iOS apps, FPS games, simulators, and even multiplayer RPGs, without touching a single dock or IDE. Let's break down what vibe coding actually is, and then I'll show you 10 real examples that prove it's already changing everything. Vibe coding is an AI-driven programming technique where you give a large language model a prompt describing what you want to build. The AI then writes most of the code for you, and your role becomes more about guiding, testing, and refining the AI's output, rather than writing every line yourself. The term was introduced by Andrej Karpathy in early 2025. His vision? Anyone, even non-programmers, can build real software just by vibing with the AI, telling it what you want and iterating together. This unlocks a whole new level of creativity and accessibility for building apps, games, tools, anything code-based. Now, let's look at the 10 real-world examples of people doing exactly that. The term vibe coding was introduced by Andrej Karpathy in February 2025. He describes it as coding with vibes, letting AI generate and refine code while you guide and test the output. And here's what he built. He vibe coded a full iOS app in Swift, without ever learning Swift before, and had it running on his phone in under an hour. No docs. No setup drama. Just ChatGPT and a little creativity. Luke built a 10,000-line game codebase with Claude and Grok. Claude handled advanced features like target locking, weapon recoil, and even animation smoothing. There were some bugs, but the fact that Claude could refactor a fifth of the code on its own? That's mind-blowing. Heater Levels launched a full-on Vibeverse, a portal-based game network made by AI. Players move between different vibe-coded games, a plane game, a goose simulator, a metaverse, even a sailing world. All built by indie devs using AI tools like at Boltnew and at Karpathy. Usain is building infrastructure to live code while people play. He uses AI to dynamically reload client and server logic, without players needing to refresh their browser. That's real-time coding, powered by vibes. Ian Curtis created customizable FPS character controllers for the community, ready to clone, remix, and extend. A toolkit vibe-coded for future game builders. Glider Sim is a relaxing flight game built entirely with at Cursor_AI and Claude 3.7 Sonnet. Givros added cloud physics, mobile UI, and sprint mechanics, all through natural language prompts. Louis vibe-coded a casual puzzle game in just a few hours using Claude and O1 Pro. He got something playable within minutes, then refined it with targeted prompts. Gabe started with a space-based battle sphere game, then pivoted to Battle Cube after AI limitations with spherical geometry. He worked with Grok to build out physics and a random map generator. The vibe? Still strong. Goncalo built a full retro-style MMO game, complete with proximity chat, inventory, and player battles. He started with Bolt, switched to Cursor, and vibe-coded the whole thing during #VibeJam. Adrian believes this is the future of game development. With just 2 prompts, he built a mobile-friendly flight game using Claude 3.7 and Lua. And it runs natively on every major platform: iOS, Android, macOS, browsers, even Discord. This is vibe coding. Less time debugging, more time creating. It shifts your role from writing code line by line to guiding the AI, testing what it builds, and shaping your ideas in real time. It's not perfect, but it's fast, flexible, and evolving fast. So the real question is, what will you vibe code next? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're building. And if you found this breakdown helpful, give the video a like. Share it with someone who's still stuck writing boilerplate. And hit that subscribe button for more deep dives into how AI is transforming development. We're not coding the old way anymore. We're vibing, and this is just the beginning.